Welcome back to Exploring Buddy. Today, we're soaring to new heights and exploring America's 5 most breathtaking natural wonders from above. Buckle up as we take you on a drone-powered journey through the heart of the country's most stunning landscapes. First up, the iconic Grand Canyon. This colossal chasm stretches 277 miles and offers jaw-dropping views from every angle. Our drone captures the vibrant reds and oranges of the canyon walls, carved by the Colorado River over millions of years. It's a must-see for any nature enthusiast. Next, we head to Yellowstone National Park. Known for its geothermal wonders, Yellowstone is home to the famous Old Faithful geyser and the stunning Grand Prismatic Spring. Our aerial shots reveal the park's diverse landscapes, from bubbling hot springs to lush forests and majestic waterfalls. Up next, Yosemite National Park in California. With its towering granite cliffs and majestic waterfalls, Yosemite is a haven for outdoor lovers. Our drone footage showcases the grandeur of El Capitan and the iconic Half Dome, as well as the tranquil beauty of Yosemite Valley. Now, let's explore Glacier National Park. This gem in Montana is renowned for its stunning glaciers and crystal-clear lakes. Our drone captures the park's pristine beauty, including the striking blue hues of Lake McDonald and the rugged peaks of the Rocky Mountains. Finally, we jet off to Maui, Hawaii. From the lush rainforests of Hana to the stunning beaches of Wailea, Maui's natural beauty is simply mesmerizing. Our drone reveals the island's vibrant scenery, including dramatic volcanic landscapes and the serene coastline. And there you have it, 5 of America's most spectacular natural wonders, seen from a whole new perspective. If you enjoyed this aerial adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more breathtaking journeys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.